Having a YouTube channel is like having your own online TV. So today, I want to show you how to create a YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Shared Moments with Justus. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So, how do you create a YouTube channel? Step number 1, create a Google account. If you've ever signed into Gmail or any other Google service, you already have a Google account. In this case, you can skip ahead to the next step. If you don't yet have a Google account, here's how to get one. Open your browser and go to the Google Accounts creation page. Click on Create Account. Now, there are two options here. One is to create a personal account and the other is to create a business account for those who are managing brands. So let's create a personal account for demonstration purposes. So fill in the details for both names, username, and password, then click Next. Fill in your date of birth and gender, then click Next. If you've got time, then you can read the privacy terms, but otherwise you can just click Agree to go to the next step. There you go. Your Google account has been successfully created. Step number 2, create a YouTube channel. Now, when you look at the top right corner of your screen, you can see a whole range of options and functions available. We are interested in YouTube, so click on YouTube icon. While here, you can now sign into YouTube using your newly created Google account. Once you've signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner for more options. Click on Create a Channel. Two options are available at this stage again. If you choose the first option, a YouTube channel will be created using your Google account's existing name and profile picture. The second option, though, will give you room to customize the name and other details of your channel. So I recommend the second option. Write the name of your channel and click Create. Next, upload a profile picture to identify your channel with and add a brief description. But you can actually skip this step and revisit later, so I'll skip for now. You have now created a YouTube channel. It's that simple. It's time now to start adding some quality content, but before you upload anything, it is recommended that you customize your channel. So give it a strong brand identity. Edit your channel icon and add a profile picture that matches your brand. Add a channel description. Then add a channel art or banner. At this point, you can comfortably upload your first video by clicking on this icon. Join me next time as I show you how to upload, live stream, and unlock additional features like monetization as you build a community around your channel. If you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, how-to videos, product reviews, and inspirational moments. Thanks for watching.